Guys, welcome back to SJ's Technohub. Today we're diving into comments in HTML. So I've written some of examples we use in comments inside HTML. So this is the basic syntax, and here is a one-line comment. This is a single line comment, and in the second example I've explained that comments can be used to explain code. This is commented out HTML and will not appear on the page. And in the fourth example, this is a multi-line comment, so we can start the comment on the first line and end it on our last line for the lines we want to comment out. In the fifth example, comments can be used to temporarily disable code. So for example, here I have disabled the image tag, and in the sixth example, we can add a reminder as comments, and at the end we have a single line comment. So these are some of the ways we can comment out our code, or we can add reminders or messages for other developers, or to basically understand our code. So this was it for today. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button or click on that notifications bell icon so you never miss a video.